Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Forum and you are watching FMA makeup tutorials, and I am going to do a celebrity inspired look today, and it's gonna be Deepika Padukone, and she had won a very beautiful green or emerald eye in CANNES award. I'm trying to get that look here. If you see, yes, it was very difficult for me to find the exact same color, but I'll try to get it as similar as possible. So without wasting time, let's get to the video. We will be starting with the M.A.C Strobe, and it is going to be this baby pink pearly color out here, because when I see the picture I find her skin so glowy and so luminous. I'll be heading with the strobing cream and I'll be applying it all over my face. I'll be using the orange concealer from LA Cosmetics to hide my dark circles, because in the picture I don't see any dark circles of Deepika. And now with the same LA Cosmetics in the shade of Cool Tan, I'll be using the concealer to hide my corrector. And over this, I'm going to use my base. I'll just dab all the concealer right on the color corrector so that there's no patchiness of orange color seen through my base. I'm going to use my base from M.A.C. And with the stippling brush from Kryolan, I'll just take the base and apply it all over my face. After my base, I'll be using NC 35 Studio Fix Concealer to conceal all my areas. I'll let this set under my eyes. Until then, I'll just chisel down my face with a dark brown color from LA Cosmetics again. And now I'll be using the concealer from Essence Cosmetics to brighten up my under eyes. So now it's time to powder, and I'll be using the Laura Mercier's translucent powder. So first we'll bake the under eyes. I'll not be using too much of powder because I want to maintain this shiny foundation on because of the look which we are going for. A little bit of powder so that my foundation doesn't move. And we'll just go through the entire face once with the powder. So I'll be using the Sephora Geometric palette for my look, and we are going to do the eyebrows first. So now once we are done with the eyebrows, we are going to switch to the eye makeup. Now for the eyeshadow, I have this beautiful palette from Sephora, and it's a geometric palette, and if you see, it looks like this. It has 80 shades in it, and I love this palette. So I have tried getting the most similar color possible, and what I figured out is that I have one eyeliner which is like a teal color, and I have a matte eyeshadow, as well as I have found this Essence pencil, which also is a very beautiful green teal color, and we'll be playing with these three things to achieve the shadow which we are looking for. We'll try our level best to get as close as possible. So we'll start with drawing a borderline for our eyeshadow, and I'll start with the bottom line first. Taking it right from the inner corner, I am going to stretch it towards my outer corner like so, and trying to get a proper definition by using this teal green liner. Taking it on the tip of my pencil, I'm trying to get that color right at the bottom of my eye. It has that pearly effect which we can see in the picture. Also, I'll be using the same color to get into my waterline. I am trying to get my perfect shade, and quickly with a black color pencil, I'll just tightline my upper line. Make sure that no black residue comes out of your eye. So following the same procedure by taking the pencil with the teal green, I am trying to make shape of my eye like Deepika in the picture. So I'll be following my lower lash line and taking it to my eyebrow. Her eyeshadow ends right near her eyebrow. So yes, you have to get too dramatic with this eye, and that's how you'll achieve the look. I will take this liner exactly on the crease line and taking it till the inner corner of my eye. I'll just color the entire lid with the same color, and I will not forget to take the teal green liner from the Sephora kit as well. This gives me the very beautiful pearly effect which we see in the picture as well. I am going to take a flat eyeshadow brush and going to take the same teal green color from the palette and applying it to my lid. One more tip for this kind of eyeshadow is that you put on your eyeshadow and look for smudging at the end of the entire shadow. It's not going to give you a very big problem because this eyeshadow is not very smudged. Now in the same Sephora palette we have this color which is very much close to the, and there is this light green color which goes in the inner corner of your eyes. To highlight my inner corner right here and mixing up all the green, and the dark green color which I had showed you from the palette goes right on the eyeshadow here to dab it and achieve the desired color which we need. And with a small fluffy brush I'll just smudge my bottom lash line. We are almost done with this. And so in this look she has not applied any falsies, so we will also not apply any falsies to stay true to the picture which we are following. And she's used a eyelash curler to curl her lash to extreme, and I'll just curl my lash. I'll wait for 10 counts and then I'll just release the curler and I'll get a beautiful curled lash. So I'll take the M.A.C Hot and Naughty mascara and I'll apply a generous amount of mascara and coat it really well. So by using a thick wand I am starting to coat my lashes really well, and I will not miss my lower lash line as well. Also there's a professional brand called Mervala. It's a New Zealand brand, and I'm also going to use the same mascara over the M.A.C Hot and Naughty mascara to achieve a more beautiful finish of this eyeshadow. And the wand, if you see, is this. It is a little bit of twisted, and this will give a beautiful curl to my lashes. There you go, we finished the mascara and I'll zoom you out and we will get to the face makeup again. So now we'll be using the blush from the same Sephora geometric kit, and I'll be using a very beautiful flushy pink color, and we'll be using the bronzers also from the same palette. And now we'll add the extra shine on the face by using the Huda Beauty highlighter palette. We'll be using the color Santorini out of it. It's a white pearl color and it goes almost everywhere on the face because there's gonna be too much of highlight in this look. So we'll be using this cute little fan brush from Bobbi Brown, and I'll be dipping it generous amount of the product, and bam, and little bit of here as I see in the picture. Face. Okay, now this is looking weird without a lipstick, so let's get on to the lips. So for the lips, I'll go with the Essence Rosewood High color, which is a very soft nude color, and we'll be just getting on through my entire lips. So let me figure out the exact color of her lips. So I'll be using a satinish color from the lip gloss or the lip color set in the Sephora palette again. And I'm trying to get the similar color out of this palette, which is very difficult for me right now. But yes, I'm trying my level best. So here it is a little bit of brownish tone and mixed with a little bit of pink. Ow! It's difficult to figure out the color, man. I hope that we've got the look, and I'll just quickly fix my hair and be right back. That's it for now, guys. I hope that you like this video. Please do not forget to hit the like button if you like it, and do not forget to share it with your friends, and please do leave your comments in the comment section below. So do let me know if you want me to do any other celebrity inspired look, and I will do that for you guys. And see you in my next one.